and welcome to Adarsh's Kitchen. Today we will make potato rosti. This is a very popular dish from Switzerland. And if we compare potato rosti with hamari aloo ki tikki, a medium size average aloo ki tikki has 250 calories, whereas potato rosti has 70 calories. Also, rosti is made with the potato skin intact, and aloo ki tikki, as we all know, the skin is removed and we add maida, corn flour, breadcrumbs and fry it. So let's see how we make healthier, tastier potato rosti. This is our mushroom sauce. It is already ready. I can explain today maybe in 1 minute how to make this. Then we have some assorted vegetables. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है क्या क्या सब्जियां होनी चाहिए, जो आपका मन है, जो आपके घर पे पड़ी हैं, आप इसमें बेबी कॉर्न भी डाल सकते हैं, इसमें आप whatever is at home, एग प्लांट है, एग प्लांट डाल दें. Here I have already grated one potato and it has been put in very cold freezing water because otherwise it will turn the color. And otherwise turning color is not a problem. The pan is hot. I will put, इसमें आप मक्खन डालिए या देसी घी डालिए, जो आपकी मर्जी है. Only thing is कि आप रिफाइंड में मत बनाएं. That is not that healthy. जो सबसे ज़्यादा कड़क होती है वो पहले डालते हैं. So these are now going to be sauteed. These can be added later. So this will take about 10 to 12 minutes to saute. Potato में there is no fat, there is no cholesterol, there is no sodium. इसमें प्रोटीन भी होता है, फाइबर भी होता है, विटामिन बी, विटामिन सी, मैग्नीशियम, आयरन, कैल्शियम. Potato should be eaten in moderation. It is definitely better than a slice. One small potato is definitely better than a processed piece of bread. Now there are some potatoes which we see they are sprouting. Please throw them away because they have the starch in them has changed into sugar and they have glycoalkaloids which can be carcinogenic. So the calories, how many calories are there in one potato? Varying from 80 to 150 in one medium potato. Our sabzis saute is done. I will add the multicolored bell peppers. The different colors give a lot more nutrients to our diet. So it is good to use colored food, naturally occurring colors food. I left the potato peel intact. I did not peel the potatoes. भाई सेब तो बनानी है ना, तो स्किन रखो, अच्छे से धो लो. तो इसमें थोड़ा सा नमक डाल रहे हैं. This is my pink Himalayan salt and now I will add a little pepper. चलो जी, अब potato cakes. 2 आलू को हमने ग्रेट किया है. अब इसमें बहुत सारा पानी है, तो ये एक मसलिन क्लॉथ है. इसमें हम ये आलू निचोड़ देंगे, पानी इनका बाहर निकाल देंगे. चिंता मत करो, जिसके पास मसलिन क्लॉथ नहीं है या ढूंढने के लिए बहुत लेजी हो रहे हो तो आप हाथ से भी इसको निचोड़ सकते हैं. अब देखें इसमें से कितनी स्टार्च निकलती है. These are pure potatoes. हमने और कुछ नहीं डाला इसमें. वैसे एक बात और बता दूं, ये जो स्टार्च है, जो पोटैटोज़ हैं, जब हम खाते हैं अगर थोड़ा ठंडा करके खाएंगे तो हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है, क्योंकि जो हमारे पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया हैं अंदर वो इसके साथ ग्रो कर जाते हैं and that increases improves our immune system. So now we will add some spices and herbs to our grated potato. The grated potato is grated along with the skin. So there goes the coriander leaves, garlic, green chilies, 1 egg for binding, 1 teaspoon salt, this is pink Himalayan salt, pepper, and this is optional if we want to add some red chili powder. We will give this a mix So we butter the pan. You have to be very careful that it doesn't get burnt. Throw some cheese and some sesame seeds. Now we pick up a small handful of this, very small, and we place it here. So we wait for it to become crispy on the underside. So now we will make the under surfaces also crispy. Typically it takes about 5 minutes and it should be on medium heat so that the inside also gets cooked. We are all set for potato rosti. Here is the potato rosti. Here is sauté vegetables, the mushroom sauce. A minute on mushroom sauce. Wash and cut mushrooms in very, very small dices. Sauté them in oil or butter. In 1 cup of milk, put 1 spoon of cornstarch, dissolve it nicely, and add to the hot sautéed mushrooms on high flame. And bring to boil, continuously stirring. Add salt and pepper according to taste. Our mushroom sauce is ready. Few veggies to go. A mushroom sauce. Steaming hot mushroom sauce. Let's see how it tastes. Come, Naval.
Wow, something new. It's looking very nice. लेकिन मेरा एक से क्या होगा? Have you called me here to taste or eat?
Taste first.
Oh, I'm sure it will be great. और मेरा एक से कुछ नहीं बनने वाला. So I start with this potato rosti. It's looking so yum. Very nice. Crispy, very good flavors, and really delicious. Let me see the veggies. It's wonderful. ये कितनी है और 2-3 दे दो please.
Okay, thank
Okay
you.
guys, enjoy.